Most kitchen renovations fall somewhere between $25,000 and $150,000 or more, and the final cost depends on the scope of your project. Because construction costs in Boulder County run about 8% higher than the national average, online estimates often don't reflect local labor, permitting, and material costs. Most remodels fit into one of three categories: a cosmetic refresh ranging from $25,000 to $45,000. Keeps your existing layout while updating cabinets, countertops, backsplash, fixtures, and appliances for a fresh, modern look. A mid-range renovation, typically $50,000 to $85,000, is the most popular choice for Longmont homeowners, featuring semi-custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, new flooring, improved storage, and sometimes minor layout adjustments. For homeowners looking for a complete transformation, a high-end remodel starts around $90,000 and can exceed $150,000 with custom cabinetry, luxury appliances, premium stone surfaces, designer lighting, and even structural changes to create an open concept space. One of the biggest budget factors is moving plumbing, gas, or electrical lines, which can add $3,000 to $7,000 per fixture. So keeping your sink, range, and dishwasher in their existing locations can significantly reduce costs. In many cases, homeowners see the best return on investment by preserving the existing layout while investing in quality cabinetry, smart storage solutions, beautiful countertops, and layered lighting. The result is a kitchen that's not only more functional and visually stunning, but one that adds lasting value to your home. At the Designery Longmont, we help homeowners create kitchens that fit their lifestyle, their budget, and their long-term goals. Schedule a free consultation or stop by our showroom today.